All right, let's get it sighted in.
This is a long-range demonstration video. This video is the first time out with the 224 Noble
It looks like half a
and the
mil
new
to the
Mad
right.
Dog stock.
So we're gonna dial up half a mil. Gonna hit it. All right.
That was an extremely hard hit.
It's 988. I think there's one right there. So that is 150. Got that one. All right. Go over half a mil to the right. 205 is right there. So 205 is going to be 205. We're going to go 4.4. I mean, just making mincemeat out of these. Oh yeah, the next one, the last couple are, oh, that's 415 yards. 415 is right there. We're going to go with 415. I'm gonna go 16 and a half. This is a real 415 yards, guys. This is no exaggeration. There you go. Took me 3 shots to get on. 3 shots to figure it out. It's 415 yards, 1,006 feet per second. Oh, just to the left. All right, wind's blowing right to left. Put a little bit of silicone lube on here. That's shot 2. Oh, just below it. That one's a toughie. Come on, buddy. I got no background. I can't, unless it goes low, I can't tell where it's hitting. Here we go. Oh man, must be going right over it. Come on, buddy. Oh. Zapped it. 415 yards, guys. I tell you what, 400 yards is about the limit of this scope the way I have it set up. I definitely would have to get a little bit more out of it by bringing up the rear. But this 224 Noble is one badass gun. I cannot wait to get the ammo dialed in, guys. She's not dialed in yet. She's not as easy as I like them to be accuracy wise. We got more coming. This is just the beginning. That was awesome. Okay, this is 500 yards. We're going to be using the Altaros 67 grain slugs in 223 at 950 feet per second. In this scene, I am not trying to group the gun. I am just trying to hit the rabbit. As tall as this rabbit is, it's skinny. It's probably no more than 6 inches in width. Also, I don't have a spotting scope, so I cannot tell where my hits are. You're seeing more than what I see when I'm looking through the scope. Once the rabbit pops up in split screen, it will no longer be edited. It will be straight all the way through, so please take that in consideration. Have some patience and actually watch the hits. I saw that hit off to the top right, 1 o'clock. But I can't tell how far off I am. This is the reality of real long distance shooting, especially when you're doing it solo. There's my first hit, and I actually can hear it. But I cannot see where the hit is. Remember, I'm 501 yards away. There was another shot, but it kicked up no dust, but I know I missed. I have no idea where I'm at. I don't know that the slugs are hitting to the right. This is 224 caliber. They don't make big holes. That one I saw. Now I'm starting to realize I'm off to the right. And to me, that looked about 6 inches right. But it's still just a guess. There you go, guys. There was another hit that I can hear, and I also can see the dirt kicking up off the grass. So I know it's a hit. Oh yeah.
Now I'm getting my hold down and I'm getting confident. That's 2 hits consecutively. Can I make 3? While that's center in the kill zone, I have no clue. I just know I hit still.
$500 yards, guys.
Wow. That's 4 shots so far. And there is the 5th hit in a row, guys. The rest, I'm just goofing around. I have about 3 more slugs left before I'm out. But I would say 5 shots with a 224 caliber air gun at 501 yards is pretty damn remarkable. And this is my first time shooting that far with no intentions of trying to set records or have the gun tuned dead on.